Hello, I am Abhishek and I'm going to tell about a tech seminar on the Google Pay security features and how they protect the data from uh, not corrupting the data and ensuring the security features and encryptions, how they are doing. And the first thing they are doing, the network tokenization standards. Google Pay adheres to industry-wide tokenization standard. It means it it mainly means tokenization standard means tokenization standard is a set of guidelines established by industry organization or regular bodies that define the process of protocols for replacing the sensitivity and data with unique identifiers known as tokens. These standards aim to ensure consistency, security, and inter- interoperability to in how tokenization is implemented across different systems and applications. And encryption. The main thing they are providing is encryption. Google Pay Google employs robust encryption to safeguard our payment information stored on the servers. This encryption scrambles our data, making it unreadable even if someone were to gain unauthorized access. Additional security measures. Beyond these core elements, Google likely utilizes various other security measures, including secure coding practices, techniques to minimize vulnerabilities in their softwares, regular security audits and penetration testing, identifying and addressing potential weakness in their system, access controls limiting access to the sensitivity data to authorized personnel. It is important to Google Pay that Google Pay adheres to industry-wide tokenization standard. This means when you use Google Pay for contactless payments, a unique device provisioning account number, that is device provisioning account number, DPAN, is generated instead of sharing your actual card details. Full primary account number, FPAN. This DPAN is specific to the transaction and the merchant, providing an extra layer of security. How this is working is the network tokenization standard. Google Pay ensures that adheres to the industry-wide tokenization standards. This means when you use Google Pay for contactless payments, a unique device provisioning account number and the DPAN is generated instead of sharing your actual card details. Full primary account number and FPAN. This DPAN is specific to the transaction and the merchant, providing an extra layer of security. Now I will tell about the adding a user and the Hive database, and it is because of the we can use it is yeah, I am doing the adding user. And I can continue that in Hive we can add a user by giving a we have to open the box. First we have to open box and we are assigning this, we are opening the box and assigning this open box into the user box. It's a variable and we are using it for adding a user. We have a function and its name is called add user, and we are passing two, and there is a our model name is user, and this its type is it's user, and we are creating an async function, and there we are calling a box user box. It means we are creating a box of type user. It's a user type, and the box is equal to user box. We are assigning this opening box into box, and we are putting it into the box. Here box dot put is equal to box is user dot username. This is how we are doing, and we can do it by a simple way. Box is equal to await user box dot put username user. This is why we are opening a box and we are sending it into a variable, and we are assigning this variable into the another and in the final, and we are awaiting it and putting into this, and we are putting into this box and using this, and after that we are getting the user. For that we have the function that for getting the user. Well, where validation. We are validating the user by string username, string password. There are two things, and for the we have to we are assigning this box into the user box is assigning to the box, and we are putting the box dot get username. If you call the username, it will come the username and password. If user not equal to null, we have the if the user yes get in the user there is username and password. If username and password is not equal to null and user dot password in user the username is there and user dot password equal to password and print true, return true, else return false. Will delete an account string username string password, and uh, we are opening a box and we are putting the user as its type, and we are assigning this get into this user. And if the user not equal to null and the user dot password equal to password, box dot delete and returning true. And we are password updating, password changing. If the change password string username, use the final box await final future box user login dot is equal to user set check login check whether login check set check login final future box bool user login is equal to hive dot open box bool check login bool login async set check login check login bool async final check login is equal to final box profile box add profile string name async, and we are going to where box is equal to await box list if if image not equal to null image bytes is equal to await image dot read in convert it and store the image bytes storing the image storing the image converting converting the images file to bytes. Yes, we have to put this in the here, and now it's okay. Store the storing the images bytes and name in the hive and yes, and putting it is down and shift we can go to the shift alt F and it will be profile saved. Get profile, we have if we want the get profile async function where box is equal to we are putting this profile box. Where is this profile box? Yeah, we are opening it and putting into this box. In this box we can get a box dot get profile. If you call this profile, it will come image list. We are putting into the images. If image list not equal to null and the image list dot length equal to 2, string name is equal to image list list into image bytes is equal to list 1, and if name not equal to null and image bytes not equal to null, convert bytes back to file. File image is equal to file print to save await image file dot write as bytes image print name saved print else no profile found. It is the main thing.